Hi Queens, welcome back. Me and Brooklyn haven't uploaded videos in a very long time, but we are going to be starting back up again. So today I'm going to be doing a summer peachy pink look for upcoming summer. Hope you enjoy. So today I'm going to be starting off using the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. For today, I'm going to be using the Lancôme foundation, and I'm in shade, where does it say? 140. I'm in shade 140. Whoa. So what I normally do is I pump some on the back of my hand, and then I put it on the back of my beauty blender and put it all over my face. And next I'll be using for concealer the Jouer, what is it? The Jouer Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer, and I am in shade Snow. So next for powder, I'm going to be using the famous Laura Mercier, if that's how you even say it, translucent loose setting powder. So for my brush, I will be using the Moda Pro. This is the BMX 130 pointed blush, but I prefer to use this as a setting powder brush. Okay, next I'm going to be using this bronzer by MORPHE. It's in shade Debutant. And I'm going to be using this MORPHE brush here. This is my first time using this bronzer. And then next for blush. I'm going to be using this brush. It's by Firma and it's the 103 brush. And I'm going to be using this little Tarte blush, and it's in shade Feisty. Okay, next I'll be doing my brows using the Anastasia Dip Brow in shade Ebony. Okay, so I'm going to be taking my pomade. So next I'm going to be taking some more of my Jouer High Coverage Concealer, and I'm going to be putting that on my eyelids kind of as a base for my eyeshadow. And then I'm going to be taking a Morphe PK 524 brush to blend out that concealer. I'll be using my Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I've used it only a few times, even though I've had it for months. So yeah. So I'm going to be starting off using this Moda Pro brush, the BMX 430 crease brush, and I'm going to be going into orange soda here. And I'm going to be putting this up in my crease on the outer of my eye. And then next I'm going to be taking some sienna right here with the same brush, putting that kind of right under where we put orange soda. And then next I'm going to be taking some mulberry. And I'm putting that in my crease and going all through my entire eyelid crease. Whereas the past two colors, I've mainly focused it on this side, on the outer edge of my eyelid. And then for glitter, I'm going to be using the rose pink here. It is a very subtle color. So I'm going to be taking that color and I'm going to be using the Morphe M207 brush. It's like an angled brush. And I'm going to be taking that on my brush. I'm going to be putting it on kind of like eyeliner. And then I'm also going to be taking some of that color and also putting it on my bottom lash line. And that is going to complete my eyeshadow look. So next I'm going to be putting on mascara. So for mascara I'm going to be using this Marc Jacobs, what is it? The Noir Velvet Major Volume Mascara. And then for lips I'm going to be using this from Lorac. It is the Pirates in the Caribbean Dead Men Tell No Tales, and it's like it's a duo, so one side is lipstick and one side is lip gloss. And the lipstick and lip gloss, they're in shade Trident. And then for just to set my makeup, it doesn't really prolong your makeup wear, but it makes sure it's all kind of together. I'm going to be using the MAC Fix Plus. The reason I use this as a setting spray is because currently I only have this Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 replenishing primer and setting spray, and I don't like the mist of how it is, so I'm waiting to get some new setting spray. So I've been just using the MAC Fix Plus until then. And then for highlighter, I put on my highlighter last because after I put on my setting spray it kind of dews up my face. So for highlighter today I'm going to be using this Becca highlighter, and it's in Light Chaser Highlighter. Oh, that's the name of the line. And it's the Champagne Dream Flashes Bellini. Bellini. And for my brush, I'm going to be using this Morphe G35, I think it is. Start up here. And then next I'm going to be taking this Morphe M411 brush with the highlighter. And I'm going to be putting that in my inner corner. Okay, and that is going to complete my look. Yeah, thank you.